Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making some mustard and garlic chicken. Now main ingredients is garlic and mustard. If you never tried this recipe before, go ahead and do so. It tastes absolutely amazing. But first things first, we're going to have to get this chicken seasoned. So let's get into it. To season the chicken, I'm using lemon juice, 12 cloves of smashed garlic. Now you can use minced garlic, but I believe the smashed garlic is gonna get into the chicken a lot better. I'm using some lemon zest. I'm using Southwest hot mustard. You can also use regular mustard, but I find that little sweet and that tangy taste that is in the Southwest hot mustard tastes really good. It gets into the chicken and helps them flavor the meat. I'm also using paprika, some black pepper, some ginger powder, onion powder, some parsley flakes. You can use fresh parsley, that's okay as well. I'm using some oregano. I'm using some dry herbs. The herbs is basically like thyme, basil, parsley, stuff like that has been dried already, and a little bit of avocado oil. Now you get that mixed up pretty well. And just let it sit for about 2 to 4 hours. Once it sits, it's gonna marinate, and all the spices that you put on the chicken is gonna get into the chicken and flavor it pretty good. Now we're gonna just put it on the pan, and you can use any baking pan of choice. I just love using this small pan, and I lined it with foil paper. Now once you finish putting it on the pan, we're gonna add a few fresh herbs to the pan. Next, to complete before baking, I'm using fresh thyme, basil, and rosemary. I'm also adding about just a half a stick of butter. Just add it to the chicken. Once you put it in the oven, it's gonna melt. Just add it to the chicken, and that's all, just before baking. To bake the chicken, I'm using a countertop oven. It's one of the small ovens that I utilize very often. We're using that at 400 degrees for just about 60 minutes. This chicken is going to be absolutely amazing once finished. Okay guys, this is it. This recipe has been completed. It smells amazing. I wish you can smell it. It tastes absolutely great. I paired it with some steamed carrots and some corn, and that was an excellent dinner recipe. If you haven't tried something like this before, you might want to do so. It is amazing, I tell you. Amazing. Anyway, hope you like this recipe. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and you guys have a wonderful day.